I needed a set of shelves for about right here because I got a bunch of stuff for the lift that needs to go on a shelf and get off the floor. And I didn't want to put it like right here because that'd make it where I can't get around inside where the lift is, all right? So we're gonna put her somewhere in this zone right next to the lift. And I needed something that would handle a little bit of weight. So I found this online, and this is called FLEXIMOUNTS. Yeah, FLEXIMOUNTS. And it comes with the brackets, the grates, all the hardware to hang it. But we're gonna have to change it up a little bit because what I have going on here is I have a combination of wood and metal framing in here. So what I've done is I think we're going to go right here, and I've marked it. This is where my metal frame is right here, and this is wood inside. So we're going to mount 2 or 3 right here, and we'll use the other one someplace else once we get the rest of the shop built. As you can tell, we're still working on it, but we're going to see actually how easy this is to do. So, but the problem is that from the outside wall to the inside wall is only 2 1/4 inches because of the types of studs that it's the metal frame building. And the screws that they sent are actually about 3 inches long. So it'll probably puncture through to the other side, which I don't want to do. So we're going to use a combination of screws and self-tappers and washers, and we're going to put these up with this instead of with these. But there ain't nothing wrong with these. They'll work, but I don't have regular conventional framing. All right, and these are right and lefts, as you can see. It's rights, tab is on this, lefts, tabs on that. So makes it pretty simple. And then they go into the brackets, just like that. And the other one goes in there like there and fits in together. And then what you do is you Velcro them together. That's actually just in the top bolts. That's pretty sturdy already right there. But that's how this works. They lock in, all right? And I'm not measuring here, I'm measuring here. We'll do about 24 inches. Yeah. For right now, I'm just going to do 2. I'll do the other 2 on the other end of the shop. And a level. Let's see how good my measuring off the floor did. That's dead on. That one's just, I would say maybe a 1/16 of an inch off. Well, it ain't even cinched down yet. Dead on. Okay, so it's not that hard to do, but like I said, with the special situation that I'm in with between the wood framing and the metal framing, I had to use self-tappers and wood screws, but I don't see where there would be a reason why this wouldn't hold up as well as anything else. I mean, I'm impressed. I mean, it's solid, and we'll put some stuff on it and show it off, but I mean, not too bad. Okay. they're up, and I went ahead and zipped in all of them. These are tapped into the metal framing up top, and this one's tapped into the 2x4s, but there's no give. I'm 240 and I hung on it, and there ain't no give. So it's a really nice little system, and I have another half that I'm probably going to put on the other side once I get finished. But this is exactly what I needed to hold all the gear that I need for the lift. So ain't nothing wrong with this system. I can't find a single thing wrong, and it was really easy to put in. Just do some measuring, maybe. And if you don't think you have the ability to do this, it comes with a template for you to put up on the wall and drill through the holes, whether you have a 16, 18, or 24-inch stud design. That you can, it'll give you the template to just basically tape it up against the wall and pre-drill the holes. So it's really a slick system. And like I said, I got another set due. Comes really good packaged. Everything you need to do it. Solid. Uncle Buck approved. So if you want to see my best little video ever made, right here. If you want to see the one that they say is best for you, is right there. Y'all be good.